before I actually owned AirAsia, looking at how we could bring down fares. You dream, you have visions. 1% had stuck in my head, 6% of Malaysians had only flown. And I thought, wow, I could really change the way Malaysians travel by bringing down costs. So it was an exciting moment for me. My first initiation of what low-cost travel can do was in London, when I saw EasyJet and Ryanair. And so that was the motivation to try and do this in Asia. This is about painting the skies red in our part of the world and allowing people to fly. That's one of our big missions. We fly to more cities in China and India than any other airline in the world, mostly through secondary and tertiary cities. We've begun now into Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan. We dipped our toes in Africa. We have a hub that we want to build in Bahrain, which allows us to go to Europe. There are hundreds of airports around Europe and Asia that just don't have long-haul connectivity. You need a smaller aircraft to build more connectivity. You need more frequency to build this hub. Of course, you need a reliable aircraft, a cost-efficient aircraft. When we looked at the economics, we looked at reliability, we looked at our network, our size. The 220 really ticked all the boxes. I'm a CEO that likes frequency. I'm a CEO that likes lots of destinations. 20% of our traffic connects. And Asia's kind of made for that, because from one end of Asia to the other can be as far as 10 hours. I think this aircraft allows us to make a bigger network, a bigger hub. The fact that Airbus could extend it to 160 seats was really a big decision maker for us. Potentially stretch it even further. That made it very compelling. Now we're seeing an aircraft that can do up to 7 hours, that can go on thinner routes. Because even in a thick route like Singapore, we fly every hour. Not every flight could fill 240 seats. We might be able to get a slightly better yield because it's a smaller aircraft. We'll be the first airline to really use this aircraft as a low cost. It's a great aircraft. Big windows, spacious. And if you have a low fare, a nice aircraft, great crew, great food, good destinations, high frequency, why not fly with us? We want to grow. We want to produce a product that can revolutionize travel in Asia. My ambition is huge. There's no reason I can't go anywhere in the world. I think history will say we were very wise buying this aircraft.